This has definitely become a highlight to my week, especially since the honks seem to be getting more unique each time I check my email. So keep them coming. We could all use the humor. Okay, moving on. That Labor Day sale must have been really good. Couldn't even take the sheets off the display model. Like, okay, I'm joking around a little bit here, but what the honk? I have to give credit that at least they're using a small SUV, but come on, my honk watchers are everywhere and doing stuff like this. Well, you see it, we'll land you right here. From folded mattresses to magic carpets. Not sure, you guys like my writing today, right? Not sure where this driver thought stacking carpets on their car was a good idea, and if they remembered that they are actually required to be able to view out of their windshield. But this is a mess. All I think about is the consequences after hitting the brakes too hard, what's gonna happen, or if it starts to pour outside.
Yeah, those are
stinky stuff. That's not gonna work.
Rugs are expensive.
Yeah. When will we learn that this type of action might be one of the most dangerous driving positions known to man? I mean this in all seriousness. If you think you look cool, you don't. If you think you'd be able to react to something properly, you won't. And if you like broken legs or major hip injuries after a crash, well, go ahead and try this out. Just stop this nonsense. Now, I want to keep seeing the things that you're seeing. Keep your passenger pictures and dash camera coming and send them over to me at AskTrooperSteve@WKMG.com.